A 60-year-old man was shot and killed by unknown assailants in Steertown, St. Ann on Sunday morning. The deceased has been identified as Paul Campbell, a driver of Hibiscus Way Prairie, St. Ann. According to the police, around 11:40 a.m., residents heard loud explosions and called them. When the police arrived on the scene, Campbell was seen in a blue Toyota Hiace minibus with gunshot wounds to the head. He was taken to hospital where death was confirmed. In recent times, the police have reported a flare-up of gang killings in the Steertown community. Some residents are concerned about the brazen daylight killings. A 46-year-old laborer was shot and killed by unknown assailants in Claremont, St. Ann on Saturday night. The deceased is Damian Johnson, otherwise called Birdman, of Litford District in Claremont. Reports are that about 9:30 p.m., residents heard explosions in the area and alerted the police. On their arrival, Johnson was seen with gunshot wounds. He was transported to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive has yet been established for the gun attack. A man was stabbed to death and his ex-girlfriend and her spouse taken into custody following an incident along the Castor Drive in Ochiraya, St. Ann, Sunday morning. The dead man has been identified as 31-year-old Romain Chin, a handyman from Main Street in Pineapple, Ochirayas. The 27-year-old girlfriend and her spouse are both from Port Maria, St. Mary. She reportedly ended the relationship after she accused Chin of sexually assaulting her daughter. Chin was arrested in connection with this allegation. It was reported that shortly after 1 a.m., the couple was along the Castor Drive when Chin visited the location. An argument developed between him and his girlfriend, the police said. The new spouse, it is understood, allegedly intervened and a knife was used to stab Chin several times. He was taken by a passing motorist to the Sanansby Hospital, where he was admitted in serious condition. Chin succumbed to his injuries around 6:35 a.m. while undergoing treatment. Following this, the couple was picked up in Port Maria and taken into custody.